Graco presents the Magnum assortment. Work faster, better, and easier, thanks to the airless technology. This powerful unit on wheels is ideal for decorating and renovating jobs for apartments or big houses. It has the perfect technical specification with an optimal result, and it pumps the paint directly from the paint bucket. Go to our website to watch instruction videos. According to the spray tip, you can spray most materials with the Magnum by Graco A45. Primer, texture, staining, and varnish. These can be cleaned with water or dilutant. From the first use, you will immediately experience the effectiveness and the fast spraying result of the A45. Without any drops or lines, thanks to the airless technology. The benefit of this unit is the easy, fast, and comfortable use, because you don't have to carry the weight of the paint. The A45 is ideal to spray primer and finishing layers. The special trait of the airless spray technology is that you can finally spray successive layers without waiting for that first layer to dry. The spraying possibilities in houses or apartments are endless. Painting jobs are generally hard and boring. They take up a lot of your time. Thanks to the airless technology of Magnum by Graco, painting becomes more fun than you ever could have imagined. The video says it all. Thanks to its unique coverage, the A45 is ideal for decorative jobs. This is the versatile unit of choice for all kinds of projects. The hose of 15 meters guarantees an ideal work reach. The benefit of Magnum by Graco is the atomization of the paint for more than 200 bar. That guarantees a unique spraying quality on all different surfaces. From now on, you can paint like a professional with Magnum by Graco. All benefits are gathered in the A45 for a perfect result. With Magnum by Graco, you can access all kinds of accessories, like a tip extension to reach harder to reach areas. Work like a professional with Magnum by Graco. Go to our website to consult our complete assortment of sprayers.